In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an animated outline text effect in Canva. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account and have a design open where you want to add this effect. This can be anything: a social media post, a presentation slide, or even a video project. Once your design is open, look for the text that you want to apply the outline effect to. If you don't have any text yet, just add a text box and type in your title or phrase. Now, click on the text itself to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a box with handles around the text. This is important because the options we're going to use only show up when the text is actively selected. You can also adjust the font size and alignment at this stage if you want, but the main focus here is getting that outline effect. With the text selected, look towards the top of the Canva editor, just above your design canvas. You'll see a toolbar with options like font, size, color, and spacing. In that toolbar, find and click on the button labeled Effects. This opens a panel on the side or along the top, depending on your screen size, showing different text effect options. Once the Effects panel is open, you'll see several styles you can apply to your text, such as shadow, lift, and others. What you're looking for is the style that gives you that outline look. Select the outline style effect from this list. When you click it, your text will instantly change to show an outline around the letters instead of a solid fill. After selecting the outline effect, you can fine-tune how it looks. Canva usually lets you adjust things like the thickness of the outline and the color. Choose a color that contrasts nicely with your background so the text really stands out. You can also play with the size of the text again here to make sure the effect is visible and clear. To make it animated, ensure you're working on a design type that supports animation like a video or animated social media post. With your outline text still selected, look for the Animate button in the top toolbar. Click it and choose an animation style you like, such as a simple fade, rise, or pop. This will animate the entire outline text, giving you that animated outline text effect. Once you're happy with how it looks, preview your design to make sure the movement and timing feel right. Then export or download it in a video or GIF format, depending on where you plan to use it.